Morning students, how are you? Hope you will be fine and safe at your home. Today I am going to teach ICSE Mathematics of 7th class. As we are doing chapter 10 Simple Interest. I think we have done up to question number 11 of exercise 10. Today we will discuss about question number 12. Today I am doing a video of this question because it is quite different from the others. Question number 12. Question number 12 is simple interest on a certain sum is 16 by 25 of the sum. Find the rate, percent and time if both are numerically equal. Solution is question number 12. Let principal is rupees X. Now simple interest, it is given 16 by 25 of X. That is 16 by 25 X. Now we have to find time and rate. Here time and rate are in this question. Time and rate are numerically equal. So time and rate are equal. It is given in this question. Now we will apply the formula of simple interest. P into R into T upon 100. We will put the values of these terms. Simple interest 16 by 25 of X is equal to P X into R. We will take R instead of rate. Time 100. We will solve 16 by 25 X reciprocal these terms. It becomes T square. Cut it 25 ones are 4 the X cut 64, that is T square. 8 square is equal to T square. Now time is 8 years. In this question it is given time and rate are equally numerical given. Now similarly rate will be 8% per annum. This is all about this question. Now we will solve question number 13. Question number 13 is simple interest on a sum of money at the end of 5 years is 4 by 5 of the sum itself. Find the rate, percent per annum. What is given? Let principal is X, rupees X, and simple interest it is given in the question 4/5 of the X, that is 4 by 5 X. Time is given 5 years. We have to find rate. What is the formula of rate? Rate is equal to simple interest into 100 upon P into time. We will fill the values. Simple interest is 4 by 5 of X into 100. Principal is X and time is 5 years. X cut 5 ones are 5 20s are 5 ones are 5 4s are, that is 16. R is 16%. Now we will solve this next question, question number 14. Hope you will understand this question. At what rate percent per annum will rupees 4,000 yield an interest of rupees 410 in 2 years? Now what is given in this question? Principal rupees 4,000. Interest, simple interest is given rupees 410. Time 2 years. Rate we have to find out. Formula of rate is simple interest into 100 upon P into T. 410 into 100 upon 4,000 into 2. Cut this. It become 41 by 8. Answer will be, I think, divide it 8 5s are 8 5s are, I am solving side by side. 5.125% per annum. Now this exercise is over. Hope you will understand this topic. Now revise. Homework is revise exercise 10. In this syllabus Question number 1 to 14 given. Stay home, stay blessed. Thank you.